Hey guys, this is Raj Chakraborty and I ordered something from Amazon and the order has arrived and I'll get it and I'll give a full review on it. Hope you guys enjoy it and like it, and please do subscribe and share it if you enjoy it. Let's take the bag. Hey, I'm back with the packet and here you can see. And any guesses what it is? It is arm sleeves from LeGear. I ordered it a few days back and yesterday it was said to arrive to my destination, but somehow it arrived today. Anyway, the delivery is good from Amazon and the packaging you can see it's well packed. Okay, let's unpack it and let's see how. So guys, here you can see it's the LeGear arm sleeves and the color is black. In the package I got my bill and the arm sleeves, and it's, you can see here that it is a very good. I've seen some reviews on YouTube and this is my first review on this, and this is for the summer, and the summer in Kolkata nowadays is like Kolkata is near the sun. Anyway, let's open it. Okay, here you can see, and it has anti-odor, moisture wicking, UV protection, graduated compression, higher endurance. I use the LeGear face mask and it is pretty good. Let's see how the arm sleeve is going to work. Okay, I got it, and it's good. The quality is good, and I can assure you that it will protect you from the harmful rays of the sun, as it is described. As I use the face mask and it's pretty cool when you wear under the helmet. It's good, it's not bad, and it costed me around 286 from Amazon. And after wearing it, I will post a video on how comfortable it is on the roads. And to get the updates, please subscribe my channel and please do share and like it if you like it, obviously. And let's see. Okay, thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe and please press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you.